Okay, now that we have all the little juicy bits scraped up from here, and our onions sliced. Alright. Hear that sizzle and all these great flavors here too that are in the pan. And what we want to do with these, we really want to caramelize these. So caramelization means all the sugar is starting to come out of the onions with all these other flavors. And to help caramelize them, once you get this moved around a little in the pan, then use a little bit of white sugar in there too, and this is going to really add to it. So just a tablespoon or so in there, and just helps the effort get together. Just move these around. You're going to see how these things start to brown. See already the color that you get with all those other wonderful flavors that are already in the pan.